Okay, so let's open up the first one, Jackson.
Let's open this. What is
it? It's so fun opening these because you just never know what's inside, huh?
What's this? It's a mystery.
What's in the first one?
Let's open this.
Okay, let's open it.
Let's open this.
Open it right here. So everyone can see.
I can't.
Okay, let me help. You make them harder, huh, to open. Okay, what's the first one?
What is it?
What is it? Oh, it is the chocolate mint Breyers. How cute. And I think...
Mom! Look it!
Wow, look at all the ones that it comes with. Look how cute this is. Chocolate mint chip Breyers. It's a little carton that it comes in. Oh my gosh. It even has the ingredients. That is too cute.
Mom, let's open this.
Let's do this one first. This is the other side of it. Okay, hold on. Okay, here we go. Oh, look at it. It's a little scoop. Oh, that's adorable.
Let's open this
And it goes inside. Just like that.
Let's open this right now.
Where's the lid to it? Okay.
What is my...
How cute. Look.
Cute.
It's just like the actual packaging from the store. I love it. So cute.
Yeah, help me open
Okay, let's put these over here.
Wait, help me open this, Mom.
Yeah.
There's more.
Is this a new one?
Yeah.
Okay, which one's this?
This one is a top.
Which one is it gonna be? Oh, oh my gosh! Look at. Flip it over. Pop! It's the cherry Pop-Tarts. Oh my goodness!
Let's open it.
Okay, wait! Don't break it though. So you gotta use the packaging.
What is it?
Just open it up.
What is it? What is it?
Oh, and of course, I think it's wrapped. They wrap everything. Show the packaging. Show how cute it is. Okay, so in the pack it is, oh my goodness, it's a little Pop-Tart. Look at her. That's so cute. She has like a little bite taken out.
Mom.
Put her back in here.
Oh, Mom, look it.
Should we open up the big one? So for the big reveal, look at all the ones that are in there. How cute it looks like. We have a spicy brown mustard. It comes with a little cute guy next to it. Oh my gosh. A National Hebrews Shopkins pig in a blanket. That's adorable. A little waffle, an Eggo waffle. The black cherry raspberry. Is that what that is? Black raspberry chocolate Breyers. Oh. What do you think's inside? Is that a little chocolate waffle?
Yeah, from this house.
Oh my gosh, that's so cute. And it shows that there's 4 hidden surprises.
It is this mystery.
A mystery. Oh my gosh. 4 hidden surprises in the box. Let's see. Okay, so here we go. Let's start with the ones from the top. Here is the spicy brown mustard. Very cute.
Open this.
Put this over here. We'll put the little guys next to him, okay? That one doesn't open, buddy. Let's try this. Put the mustard next to it, okay? Those are the surprise ones. Stand right here.
Let's open this one, Mom.
Okay. This is a little hot dog. It's more like a pig in a blanket, huh? That's so cute. Okay, put the mustard next to it. These are the little house that it goes in after we're done playing with them. Those are the surprise ones. We're going to keep those over here.
What's inside?
Okay, come over here. I will help you, okay? There we go. Show that one.
What's inside it?
What is in that one?
No gun.
Nothing's in there because it's out here. It's a little waffle.
Cute.
Okay, put it by the little waffle. Except that's not the chocolate one. This is the other Eggo. So we're gonna go like this. This is the other Eggo.
Cute.
Cute, huh?
That's an other Eggo?
Mm-hmm. Here's the chocolate egg. It has a little dollop of whipped cream on it, it looks like.
Oh,
Show it.
cute. Cute, look at it. It's so cute. Oh, so cute. Cute.
Here's the Briars.
What's so cute? We got freedoms.
Look at this one. Oh my goodness. It's a slush puppy. How cute is that? Look at the slush puppy.
Yeah, what's outside in it?
Oh, it's not in it. It's right here.
I want to get a drink to this. Oh, I'm sorry. Sorry, baby.
A little waffle. Put the other waffle here too so you can see it. Okay. Okay. Should we do the reveal of the surprise ones?
Yeah.
Okay.
Here we go. Oh,
It's a mystery. It's a Fruit Loop. Look at the little Fruit Loops inside. That is so adorable.
What's this house?
It looks like a little strawberry jam. That is so adorable. Oh my goodness. Okay. Here's the third surprise. Let's open it up. Oh wait, it's the two. Okay, so it's the packaging for the Fruit Loops. There's its box.
This is home?
Uh-huh.
This is what's in there.
And then this is the jam. I was right. It's the Welch's jam.
What's
And this is her little house. It looks like you unscrew the bottom like this and she goes inside. That's really cool.
what's
So
this?
Jackson, show everybody what you have so far. Show all of it. Which one's your favorite?
This one.
Yeah, which one?
This one.
The little slushie?
Yeah.
Slushie's super cute, huh?
I got you some.
Well, these are the cutest little Shopkins. Oh my goodness. The little hot dog, it might be my favorite. The little pig in a blanket. So cute. Oh my goodness.
Oh, Mom.
Yeah?
I take this. Yes.
That one's your favorite too? Oh my goodness. What are they eating?
They're eating ice cream and drinks and pancakes and monsters and strawberry ice cream and like this. And she's eating this. And even Hokia likes this.
Which one's Polk's favorite?
This. This
The
one.
mustard?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Hulk, you guys. Hey, fella, you want some this? Hey, where's your freedoms? No, there. Where's this? Not here. No here. No. Yes. That's his house. Wiggle, brother. Wiggle. Oh, it's you. What's wrong? It's yours. Here. Come right here. I got one. Ah, something's in there. Ah.
Okay, so they're gonna have a party. And until next time.
Wiggle.